Dongkaching-2 Higher Secondary School celebrated its glorious Golden Jubilee celebration on 9th of December. 6th edition of pre-Christmas celebration successfully observed at Dolamara on 10th December. Horrifying accident had taken place at Ilojan on 10th December. Good news, good news. The date for linking of Aadhar card with job cards has extended till 11th of December. As per the direction of Block Development Officer of Lumbajong Development Block, beneficiaries of MGNREGA job cards are directed to link their Aadhar seeding into MGNREGA database by 11th of December, failing which would be barred from further schemes. The said notice also implies with the members of National Social Assistance Program. Beneficiaries can avail Aadhar card seeding with MGNREGA job cards at the office of Lumbajong Development Block, Manja. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Dongkaching-2 Higher Secondary School observed its glorious completion of 50 years on 9 December at Thantakhat, Karbi Anglong. Dongkaching-2 Higher Secondary School was established in the year 1972, and on 9 December 2022, the school has reached the milestone of 50 years. It is situated at Thantakhat under Korkanthi constituency. Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, attended as the chief guest of the event. Raju Tiso, chairman of KAC, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, principal, teachers and several dignitaries of the region attended the Golden Jubilee celebration. During the inaugural ceremony of the celebration, official flag off the school was hosted, followed by cake cutting ceremony, and Dorsing Ronghang MLA took the honor to inaugurate a cultural rally for a distance of 1 kilometer. Richard Togby, EM in charge, KAAC, while addressing his speech, shared his words of encouragement and motivation with the students in bringing quality education. Likewise, Raju Tiso, chairman of KAAC, while addressing his speech, informed that it was due to the constant support of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang-led KAAC government that the education atmosphere of Korkanthi constituency has turned from nothing into something. Also informed that Dongkaching-2 Higher Secondary School was the first higher secondary school within the constituency, followed by Tekelangjun Higher Secondary School, and today with the establishment of Longmyojeng College and Schools.
Kisung ke boy, jahat ke dorde pupe penando, hai ke boy tame karbiang nong Thomas Council pen tame isi pen isi tempon piu pen pajing turi panabang ang kasain deng deng ponpu, isi kini rata tumpen jing isi tham tetap.
I'm singing this report from Dogmoka for KAL Live. As pre-Christmas celebration is going on globally, likewise pre-Christmas celebration was celebrated on 10th of December at Dolamara with the theme of Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6, Prince of Peace. Under the initiative of Joint Christian Fellowship of Dolamara region, under Dorbagori constituency celebrated pre-Christmas celebration at Dolamara Cultural Complex on 10th December. Kamson Rongpi, president of Joint Christian Fellowship, chaired the celebration, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Rison Terang, General Secretary of JCF. As part of program schedule, praise and worship was done from GEL Korlangso U Department. Mass prayer was done by Siloam Prayer Center, led by Roslek Tipi, followed by the performance of AG Church choirs, and Bible reading prayer was done by P.S. Elvinson Rompi, Assistant Secretary of Joint Christian Fellowship. Speakers from United Christian Forum, Reverend Khoya Singh Ronghang, Advisor UCF Dipu, Reverend A.S. Ringma, Advisor of UCF, and Borsing Tiso, Assistant Secretary of UCF, attended as the guests of the event. Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, KAEC, Sarkoy Rongphar, VDC Chairman of Dorbagori, Mongol Singh Terang, Chairman of Dolamara Municipal Board, and several dignitaries attended the event.
Dilidat, Debang Pen, Ningarong Piglo, Atake Ongdung Atu, Program Admission, Program Mondri Pen, Nanting Room Sila, Arna Pon Karcho,
Pre-Christmas, matang te isi dinam mi napang isi ke Jisu Kristo amahang kithe kang hong ajai mek kusi.
RJ Sondrong Par's report from Dolamara for KAL Live. On 10th of December, brutal accident took place at Dilojan, where two cars coming from opposite direction met a head-on collision along National Highway 39. To avoid road mishaps, one should be very cautious and vigilant while traveling on roads. Proper precaution must be taken, but due to lack of significant consciousness while driving, two cars traveling from opposite direction met a head-on collision along National Highway 39 at Dilojan under the jurisdiction of Bokajan Police Station. As per the sources, it was reported that the incident occurred when a car bearing registration number AS01DA 3139 heading from Mon district of Nagaland to Dimapur town of Nagaland, while a car bearing registration number AS09B 4432 was travelling from Bokajan to Japralangso met a head-on collision at Dilojan along NH39. Locals immediately called a 108 emergency services to carry the victims of the incident to the hospital at Dimapur for their treatment. Bokajan police reached the spot and took all the necessary measures to take control of the incident. No loss of life had been reported so far. Anandirang's report from Bokajan for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a blessed day.